Vakila Uris is a Drukhari homunculus roaming the Jericho Reach. Known by her titles as Excruciatress and Mistress of the Theatre of Pain, this homunculus has earned an infamous reputation due to her experiments made within the eastern fringe of space over several millennia. Driven by the need to enact ever-heightening acts of twisted atrocities, her own body is likewise a canvas of pain and sadistic augmentation. Revered by Comorites for her spectacles of debauched artistry, her alliance with the Conclave of Tears within the Jericho Reach is purely made as an act of self-interest. Opposed by the Death Watcher's dead cabal, who believe this band of Eldar to be attempting to align the dead worlds of the region into the alignment known as the Dark Pattern. Calling in favors from Archons of the Dark City to aid her raids within real space, thousands of Comorite thralls are seconded to her campaigns, fought alongside her own Racks and Grotesques to achieve their master's goal. Maintaining an uneasy bond of camaraderie with the Black Prince, Iban Lauma, Farseer Erandel Voidsinger maintains a much colder civility due to their contrasting beliefs. Harvesting myriad specimens, samples and spoils from her endeavors as the Jericho Reach continues to spiral into mayhem. The eyes of her victims stare out from her panoply, encased within gleaming glass microphiles, inspiring new folklores to be spun by the populace of the system.